Welcome to Screencast for Sitecast. In this episode, I will be talking about the Integrated Content Management System, also known as CMS, built into the Sitecast Platform. The Content Hub is an intuitive interface for content managers. You do not need to have technical expertise to be able to modify and publish the content to your website. We will be using the teamgothier.com as an example in this session. This is the production server, and this is the designated development environment for the site. This is automatically provisioned when you create the project on the Sitecast platform. This particular project has multiple functionalities, such as displaying the multimedia gallery, flash photos, and a collection of blog entries. So depending on how your website is set up, you will have various item types on the left pane. As I mentioned, in this particular project, we have implemented and designed the pages for the multimedia gallery, which displays both of these entries. Honeymoon at Isle Royale National Park and wedding, and it has a one-to-one mapping from the Content Hub. So what it's doing is it's dynamically loading all the content from the hub. So let's go ahead and add additional media into the media gallery. Go add a Mexico entry, create, let's put some description, and let's port over the photos that we want to upload. So what I'm doing right now is I am selecting all the photos that I want to upload from my local computer, clicking it and dragging it, the same process as when you're porting over or uploading any media into the cloud. Go ahead and hit done. After you uploaded all the photos, the next step is to set the publication date. You can do that by going to the Availability tab and selecting the appropriate date. You can either backtrack or set it for future dates. We are going to have another session on how you can optimize the pages for marketing. For this demo, I just went ahead and used the same description. For the actual content, we encourage you to be as descriptive as possible to help with the ranking. These are the information you will see when you share the URL in social media or on search engines. I'm going to go ahead and use one of the pictures as a cover. And after you fill out all the fields, you just go ahead and hit save. As you can see, it automatically created a Mexico page for you. Let's go ahead and preview the changes or preview the item. And this goes the development URL, photos for the gallery, and there goes its own item. So now let's go ahead and modify one of the blog entries. Let's go to the blog. And let's modify the how we planned our wedding in less than 3 weeks. So go back to the Content Hub, to the post item type, hit edit. And these are dummy content. So I'm going to go ahead and use the same lorem ipsum paragraphs and duplicate it 5 times. And go ahead and hit save. And now let's preview the item. And there goes the change. As you can see, it dynamically loads all the changes that we have made in the Content Hub into these pages. All the modification that we just did are all deployed into the development environment, When you're ready to publish it into the production site, there's only one step that you're missing, and that is to click this link when you're ready to deploy all the changes that you want. So without any technical background, you are able to modify all the content on your website. I hope the CMS tutorial helps. This is Ruby with Sitecast. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.